A perusal of special polygonal numbers in relation to nasty numbers of the form 6. A square A is a positive integer. This chapter is concerned with different patterns for finding the ranks of special polygonal numbers such that each of these m-gonal numbers, added or subtracted with non-zero integers, represents a square integer multiplied by 6. The recurrence relation satisfied by the ranks of respective m-gonal numbers is presented. In addition, the method of determining the unequal ranks of two different polygonal numbers such that their linear combination is a square multiple of 6 has been exhibited. Introduction. This chapter explores special patterns in certain number sequences called polygonal numbers, which are numbers arranged in shapes like triangles, squares, and hexagons. These numbers have fascinated mathematicians for centuries because they connect geometry and algebra. The study focuses on finding specific positions called ranks of these polygonal numbers that relate to perfect squares, especially when adjusted by adding or subtracting small numbers. It also looks at how two different polygonal numbers can combine linearly to form special square-related values. The chapter highlights practical applications of these number patterns, including in areas like logistics and coding. By understanding the relationships and formulas behind these patterns, the chapter reveals new ways to analyze numbers that have both geometric beauty and real-world relevance. Overall, it deepens the knowledge of how polygonal numbers relate to squares and multiples of 6, offering tools for further exploration in mathematics. Conclusion. In this chapter, we have presented the ranks of interesting polygonal numbers in connection with nasty numbers of the form 6 times a square integer by employing the integral solutions of Pelian equations. As polygonal numbers are plenty, one may attempt to obtain suitable relations between the concerned polygonal numbers and nasty numbers. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.